Looking to capture aerial shots without breaking the bank? Discover the best low-cost drone with camera options perfect for beginners and hobbyists. These affordable drones offer impressive features, stable flight, and HD cameras to elevate your outdoor adventures. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. REDRIE Camera Drone. The REDRIE camera drone stands out as a superb entry-level option for those stepping into the world of aerial photography and drone piloting. Marketed as an ideal beginner's drone, the JY02 model offers a host of user-friendly features that make flying intuitive and fun. One of its key highlights is the one-key start function, which simplifies the process of getting airborne. Coupled with an upgraded hover system, it maintains a stable position at a certain altitude, making it easier for new pilots to manage the controls and focus on capturing quality images and videos. The drone's design includes cool light effects, adding an exciting visual element to every flight session. Equipped with 1080p HD adjustable angle camera, the REDRIE camera drone delivers clear and vibrant aerial photos and videos. The inclusion of FPV, or first-person view, through the REDRIE Fi app and Wi-Fi transmission allows users to stream live video to their smartphone, ensuring they never miss a moment. This feature extends the control range and provides real-time visuals, enhancing the flying and filming experience. What truly elevates this drone is its variety of engaging features, including waypoint fly, gesture selfies, 360-degree flips, voice commands, circle and rotation flight modes, and 3 different speed settings. Headless mode and one-button takeoff and landing simplify operation whether you're a novice or a seasoned drone user. With dual rechargeable batteries providing up to 25 minutes of flight time, users get more opportunities to explore and capture their surroundings. Safety is also a priority, with built-in overcurrent protection, emergency stop functions, propeller guards, and a low-power alarm, ensuring a secure flying experience.
Number 2. XSHOP Camera Drone. The XSHOP camera drone offers an impressive mix of high-quality imaging and advanced functionality at an accessible price point, making it an excellent choice for those seeking the best low-cost drone with camera features. Equipped with a 4K UHD camera, it delivers crisp, detailed photos and videos, while the 110-degree wide-angle lens and 90-degree adjustable view enable users to capture expansive landscapes and unique perspectives. The 5 GHz FPV transmission ensures smooth, lag-free live streaming directly to your smartphone via Wi-Fi, offering a seamless in-app control experience. A standout feature is its smart GPS functionality. This system automatically returns the drone to its takeoff point if the battery runs low or if it encounters a connectivity issue, significantly reducing the risk of losing your investment. Additionally, users can create custom flight paths through the mobile app, letting the drone autonomously navigate a designated route, making complex shots and scenic tours easy to manage. Designed with beginners in mind, the XSHOP drone offers a user-friendly start with beginner mode, 3 speed settings, and intuitive functions like 1-key takeoff, 1-key return, and altitude hold. These make operation hassle-free, allowing new pilots to quickly gain confidence and enjoy the flying experience without constant manual adjustments.
Number 3. The Karuisrc camera drone is an excellent option for enthusiasts seeking advanced functionality without the hefty price tag. Highlighted by its 4.5-inch HD LCD RC screen, this drone eliminates the need for smartphone pairing, offering real-time video streaming and flight data display directly on the controller. This feature is particularly valuable in bright, outdoor conditions, where phone screens often become hard to see. Its dual camera setup captures high-quality photos and Ultra HD videos, comparable to 4K, providing users with professional-grade footage. The wide-angle stabilized lens ensures smooth, clear visuals, whether hovering or navigating challenging flight paths. One-touch controls streamline operation, making it accessible for both new users and seasoned drone pilots alike. A key strength of this model is its integrated professional GPS system. The auto-return feature ensures the drone safely flies back to its takeoff point if it loses signal, runs low on battery, or upon manual activation. This function gives users peace of mind, particularly during long-range or complex flights. Additionally, the Follow Me mode intelligently tracks the user, maintaining a set distance and altitude while capturing dynamic hands-free footage. Durability and convenience are well considered in the Karuisrc design. It comes with a sturdy carrying case for easy transport and safe storage. The drone supports 32GB SD card storage, allowing for immediate video and photo saving without relying on mobile devices. Its long battery life and stable flight performance further enhance its value as a reliable mid-range drone.
Number 4. PLEGBLE Camera Drone. The PLEGBLE camera drone strikes a remarkable balance between advanced capabilities and beginner-friendly design. Equipped with a 130-degree wide-angle 4K HD camera and a 90-degree adjustable view, this drone ensures users capture stunning high-resolution images and immersive FPV videos. Smooth real-time video transmission enhances the flying experience, whether for casual fun or serious photography. One of the key advantages of the PLEGBLE drone is its brushless motor system, offering improved stability, longer lifespan, and better power efficiency compared to brushed models. This makes it highly resistant to wind and capable of handling high-speed conditions. Safety is also a top priority, with thoughtful features like a child lock, propeller guards, an anti-lost alarm, and emergency stop functionality ensuring a secure flying environment. Flight time is generous, with dual enhanced batteries providing up to 28 minutes of operation. Quick USB 3.0 charging and a foldable, lightweight design weighing under 250 grams make it ideal for outdoor adventures. Best of all, its weight exempts it from FAA or remote ID registration requirements in the US, simplifying the process for users.
Number 5. Blinery Camera Drone. The Blinery camera drone is a lightweight, feature-packed option ideal for both beginner and experienced drone enthusiasts. Its 2K HD camera features a 90-degree electrically adjustable angle and built-in shock absorption, capturing crisp, stable videos and photos even in motion. The 5 GHz FPV transmission ensures smooth real-time viewing on connected smartphones with easy sharing options through its app. What sets this drone apart is its generous 32-minute flight time delivered via 2 modular rechargeable batteries. This extended runtime lets users capture more footage and enjoy prolonged flying sessions without frequent recharging. The brushless motors offer quieter operation, increased efficiency, and durability compared to brushed models, making it reliable for a variety of environments. Beginner-friendly functions like one-button takeoff/landing, headless mode, and 2 speed adjustments make the Blinery drone accessible to new users. It also features optical flow hover for steady in-place hovering, ensuring clear shots even without GPS. Multiple app-controlled modes, such as 360-degree flips, gravity control, waypoint navigation, and gesture selfies add interactive, engaging elements to each flight. Like the video? Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon